Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and reset PIN in Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now if we head over to the settings of our account right here, and if we go ahead and try to manually reset the PIN of our account, we cannot go ahead and do so. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click on the Roblox main page, and once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will be able to see this options right here. You want to click on the help button, and once inside, scroll all the way down, and under promoted articles, you can then go ahead and see the article for I forgot the PIN. So you want to click on it, and once a PIN is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. At this time, users and their parents' guardians will not be able to manually reset the PIN if it is forgotten. Customer support will need to assist with resetting forgotten PINs. So you want to click on this contact form right here, and you will be taken to this page. You can just go ahead and fill out the necessary information, explain to them what has happened, and Roblox will try to get in contact with you through your email. So you can just go ahead and do that, and from there you will be able to reset your PIN. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.